Hi, I'm Shania and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make a potato salad. Let's look at the ingredients. 2 medium potato, boiled and peeled, 1 cup and a half mayo, 4 tablespoons chopped onion, 2 tablespoons chopped celery, 1 teaspoon sweet relish, 2 eggs hard boiled chopped, 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon black pepper. Let's go start to make this potato salad. I already cubed my potato and I put him in this big bowl. Now we just add the mayo, the onion, the celery, the relish, now we add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, and 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper. Okay, let's go mix well. Okay, now we add the eggs. And you fold easy all together like this one. Now I grab my plate. We do like this one. There you go. Couple pieces of eggs on top. For finishing, we do some fresh parsley for garnish, like this one. Voila! Your potato salad is ready. And don't forget to thumbs up my video and subscribe to my channel for more great recipe. Bye bye!